today's Bitcoin analysis on weekly time frame, we have this resistance for the price. As you can see, the price was falling and touches a level and starts going up. And also we had it here too. The price was going up and it makes a correction and touches a level and it continues going up. So we can see this support is a really strong support for the price. When it breaks it to the downside here, it continues falling, and right now the price is exactly on that level, which is a resistance for the price. And if you have watched my previous analysis, I told you that we have this engulfing candle on the resistance here on weekly time frame, and also RSI, or relative strength index, is also overbought. Let me close it. We have the resistance. First reason, we have the candle, engulfing candle. Second one, RSI, the third one. And the fourth reason, or the reason 4, can be our break out of the trend line on daily time frame. Okay, we have this trend line for the price on daily time frame, as you can see, which it was like this at the first look when we saw that shadow out of the trend line, which the price tried to break it to the downside and it couldn't. So we extend the trend line like this and wait for the next candles to break it to the downside. A break out of this in the daily time frame, the body of the candle should close below this on daily time frame, not any other time frames. We can actually enter a long-term sell position on Bitcoin, as actually we have some confirmations in the weekly time frame to enter sell position too. But if the price start going up from here, okay, this actually support here and this trend line here, you can see we have a support here too, like this one. Okay, the price was falling and touches a level and starts going up, so this can be a level of support for the price too. Okay, so we have the support and the trend line, which both acting as a support. The price can start going up from here and touch our upper trend line, and if it can break it to the upside on daily time frame, we can have some buy positions there. Okay, long-term buy positions. But sell scenario is actually has more chance of winning. I believe the price gonna break this trend line in the next days or next weeks to the downside. Then we can actually have our sell positions opened. Let's check 4-hour time frame to see what we have. On 4-hour time frame, we had this trend line, this one here, with 1, 2, 3, 4 touches on that. I told you that if it can be broken to the upside, we can have a buy position. But for second confirmation, we need to see this trend, this resistance to be broken to the upside, that we can enter buy position with second confirmation and with more safety, which the price broke this trend line, but it touched our resistance in the lower time frame, 1-hour time frame, and it gives us some candles. I will show you in the actually next minutes. The price touched that and it started falling. So I told you that we can also, if we see some nice candles there, we can enter sell position, which the price gives us our reward somewhere here. Okay, but when we see this trend line is actually is false a bit, it is not working, we're gonna delete that, or we can do something else on daily time frame. Let me show you if the chart can be loaded. Come on. Yeah, on daily time frame, as you can see, we have this shadow outside the trend line. So what we're gonna do on shadows outside the trend line is to update our trend line or extend it until top of that shadow and wait for the next candles to break it to the upside on daily time frame. Then we can have our buy position opened. Okay, but if we check 1-hour time frame, we're gonna see the positions I was telling you in 1-hour time frame. We had our resistance here, the price was falling and touches a level and starts going up. We don't care it was a support in the past of the market or not. Okay, we just trade based on recent chart. The price touches that level and it gives us a dodgy candle like this, continued with a red candle here, But we also had a trend line like this one here. I will show you in the 15-minute time frame, which was broken to the downside. If you are trading based on support and resistances, you must have entered sell position somewhere here, put your stop loss above the candle and look for your reward. Why? Because we have resistance here, the candle we want. You can see the price was going up strongly. This candle is a really strong candle for actually enter buy positions, but when it touches this level, it gives us a dodgy candle showing that the buyers are getting weaker. Okay, and it continues with some candles with shadows from upside. It is showing that the market is getting weaker. Come on, you can have some sell positions here if you see some signs here. Okay, on 15-minute time frame it will be more clear. Let me recorrect my trend line like this. You can see the pin bar on 15-minute time frame. I always tell you that if you draw the trend line or support and resistance in the bigger time frame, enter that position, sell or buy position in the lower time frame if you see a nice candle, okay, like this candle here. So you're gonna risk here and put your stop loss above the candle and get your reward. Okay, and the price gives us our reward 6 or 7 somewhere here, which is really fantastic. But if you are trading based on breakouts, you can see this candle broke this trend line to the downside, so enter sell position here, put your stop loss above the candle and look for your reward, which the price gives us our reward 2 somewhere here. And so far it again touched this support again some actually hours ago somewhere here. But in the live chart, let's see what we have on 15-minute time frame. On 15-minute time frame we don't have anything special. Let's see 5-minute time frame. Still nothing special, but we can actually draw a trend line like this one. With the breakup of it to the upside, we can actually enter buy position on the 5-minute time frame. Let's see 1-minute time frame too. On 1-minute time frame, it is my favorite time frame. If you didn't know that, I love trading in 1-minute time frame because you can get the result too much faster than other time frames, and you can have a sell position or buy position anytime you like. Okay, it is special for those who are busy with works and other things. You can see on this level here, if I can draw a level like this one, okay, you can see the price is getting shadow when the price touches this level here. Once here, second time, third, fourth, fifth time, okay, 5 times it made some shadows and also some here's too. When the price comes to this level, it can be a nice support if we see nice candle on that, like this one, and pin bars like that. We can have a buy position, or with the break of it to the downside, we can have a sell position opened. But we can also wait for this trend line on the 5-minute time frame to be broken to the upside, that we can have our buy position opened. Yeah, it was all about today's analysis of Bitcoin. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also if you have any questions you can ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.